though. How you doing? Hey. Be above the influence. Be above it. Above that influence. Don't fall victim to the shrooms.
What?
I don't know. Big flag bone kind of Buma, Bukak. That's some Vietnamese cursing for y'all.
Mixed with rosary beads, so I can blow tails of coke sales, smoke L's with the devil laughing, assassins blowing out gray horoscopes, tell tomorrow hopes casket, gun blasting, ratchets, tats across the abdomen, Vatican, past the chin, flash the kills, on the neck.
So, how you doing? How you doing, Duncan?
I'm doing pretty good, man. How about yourself?
That's pretty fast.
How's the noise tank?
All right.
Noise tank's only all right. Why is that?
I don't know. Well, I'm kind of crappy, man. This noise tank here, it needs some repairs. It needs to go under commission because it's kind of falling apart here. But for all of those out there, be wary. Noise tank is not the only one coming to town.
Who else is coming to town?
Oh, there's so many names. Noise bomb, noise to car. I could name them all. And then I give away my secrets. But soon you shall hear from the loudest of them all. Being that there's only two so far, but the loudest of them all. I don't know its name yet, but you shall hear him soon.
Hey, man, you gotta be getting your hardcore fans to donate for your shit.
No more Will Smith. That's an alright oldie song. best in the game. I don't. That's Passin. I want those hot beans. Hot beans.